Hey everyone, it's Luna, and today I come to you with a really short video to show off my Pokemon Cuckoo clock. So I got this a while ago, but I just never got around to filming a video on it, and I know it's one of the more rare items when it comes to Pokemon collecting. So yeah, overall, this is the Pocket Monsters one, so this is the one that was released in Japan. I think there's one that instead of a Psyduck, it has a Tentacruel, I don't remember, on it. So here's some of the songs it plays. And I think there's one more. Yep, so that's basically the clock and what you can get. You can find these often on Yahoo Japan auctions, but I say often, meaning like maybe every 3 months, so yeah, it just depends. So I recommend checking out Yahoo Japan auctions, and yeah, if you guys need a video on how to use that, I would be happy to show you. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!